Sometimes we want to show a zoomed in or a cropped version of an image for certain screen sizes. This is called art direction. Let me show you a real example. So here on earls.ca, we have 3 images, and these images are almost square. Now, when I reduce the screen size, see what happened? The first image is now rectangular, and it's cropped and zoomed in. So right now, we only see a curry bowl. But on tablet or desktop, we also see a bowl of rice. That is not visible on mobile devices. This is a real application of art direction. Another application is for backgrounds. We might have a background with a person in the middle. That background might look great on desktop or tablets, but on mobiles, maybe the person in the middle of the background looks too small. So for mobiles, we can provide a zoomed in or a cropped version of that image. Now, if you look at the zip file that I gave you at the beginning of this section, you're going to find these 2 files, mil-cropped and mil-cropped at 2x. Of course, we could have 3x as well, but that is unnecessary for this lesson. Now, to implement art direction, once again, we're going to use the picture element. So in the previous lesson, we added a source element with the type attribute set to image/webp. Now we're going to use the media attribute. Here we can type a media condition like max width 500 pixels. Now this number here is an arbitrary breakpoint. The actual value used really depends on your design. So we are saying if you're on mobile, then the source of this image should be images/mil-cropped.jpg. And of course, we could supply 1x and 2x versions, but let's not worry about it here. So here's the first source. Now let's duplicate this. For the second source, we're going to change the media condition to min width of 501. So if the viewport is wider than 501 pixels, then we're going to use our original image, okay? Now, just like before, we need to add the image element. Here we're going to set the source to images/mil.jpg. And of course, we can give it a meaningful description. Let's not worry about it and see what we get. So on desktop or tablets, here's what we get. But if you go to mobile, our image becomes cropped. See that? This is art direction in action.